Good evening everyone. So I will be talking about statistical technique and data analysis. So what is statistical techniques and data analysis? So this is statistical method involved in carrying out a study include planning, designing, collection data, analysis, drawing meaningful interpretation, and reporting of the research finding. The statistical analysis give meaning to the meaningless numbers, thereby breathing life into a lifeless data. So, statistics is a branch of science that deals with the collection, organization, analysis of data, and drawing of inferences from the samples to the whole population. So this means that statistics helps us gather data, organize it in a meaningful way, analyze it to find patterns, and then use those patterns to make prediction about larger groups of people or the whole population. Next.